Good evening, everyone. I thought I'd give you a little update for this channel and also about what I'm up to in the future, what you can expect on the channel. So what you see behind me is my nearly empty apartment. So there's a big life change coming up. Quit my apartment, quit my job. My girlfriend did the same, and we're gonna do some nomadic living for the next 10 to 12 months. At least that's the plan. So basically traveling to different places, renting Airbnbs or other apartments, staying for a longer time in some places. And I'm gonna do full-time photography for the next time and see how things develop, because till now, last 15, 16 years, I was a software developer full-time, and photography was just a side hustle. And now I'm excited to see how things develop if I just do it full-time. I'm not yet planning to continue to do it full-time, because also I enjoy software development. So currently the idea is after like 10 to 12 months, I go back to software development, but who knows? I'm gonna do some check-ins after a few months, just seeing how things develop. If I can continue to keep the joy for photography, if I kind of earn most of my income with it. So that's the thing I always was curious about, because my thought always was it's good to keep it as a side hustle, so not too much pressure on it, so I can more enjoy it. And now I just want to see how things develop if I make it my main profession. And if you're interested in that, make sure to keep subscribed, or subscribe if you aren't. And I'm gonna show you the places we travel to, and we'll start with Portugal, where we're gonna stay like 6 to 7 weeks. Also Madeira is on the list, and afterwards I don't know yet. So first videos will be a lot of seascape photography and whatever I can find, and maybe a few tutorials. In general, more content than in the last few weeks, where I was kind of silent because I was doing the move here and emptying this apartment, also quitting my job and everything. So actually kind of a bit of work. So first time I did this, so was an interesting experience to know what you have to do, especially if you have a side business, which then becomes the main business. So a lot of things to learn for me, but now I'm nearly ready, and see you in the next video. Bye.